Another way you can use these sites to rank high on the first page of Google and make money is by doing something called launch jacking. Launch jacking is basically a term used in the internet marketing world more than anywhere else, where we will keep an eye on internet marketing launch boards. When a product in the internet marketing space is announced and getting ready to be released in the world, we as marketers can come in and sort of jack the product launch, meaning we can go in and rank for tons of different keywords weeks in advance before the actual launch day. So that when it happens, people turn to the internet to find out more information about it, get some review information and maybe some bonus stuff. Lo and behold, you'll be sitting there and you want to talk about total page domination. You can absolutely claim 3 or 4 listings in Google with your pages with launch jacking. The reason that is because these names are mostly made up stuff. They are all made up words, so there is no competition, nobody searching for this stuff. Whenever Google sees something like that, that's soft to them, so they will rank whatever they can get to put up. Once you are coming in with a Pinterest pin or a YouTube video and blogspot post, Facebook page or Twitter stuff, you're going to totally take over the first page of Google, and when you do that, you're going to get sales. Here's the thing, you want to go to warriorjv.com and you want to check out these launch boards. You can get products all the way into the next year ranked on the first page of Google. You just pick a product you want to promote, or also you can go to muncheye.com. This is another internet marketing launch board. In fact, there are tons of different marketing launch boards that you can watch and check out the launches, but these are just 2 of them I'm going to use for an example. You can go out and search for whichever you prefer. Over here, we have a premium launches, and what this means is there are launches that are almost guaranteed to generate a ton of buzz, so that when they are launched, there is going to be a buying frenzy. People love the products that these people produce, and it's a big need. There is going to be a lot of buzz, which means people are turning to the internet to find out more information about it from different sources. So let's just say you pick any product in here that's going to be launching in soon, and let's just say you are planning domination. It could be a YouTube video or ranked Facebook page, and then possibly one and other authority site that I provided for you. So I picked Longtail Pro 3.0, and the keyword would be Longtail Pro 3.0. Go to their JV page and get all kind of information about the products so that you can craft a really good sort of review style article. Then you can post that to your blog, or you can convert that into a video or post that into YouTube. So get all the information right here. This will tell you how much the product is and how much the commissions is going to be, price contest, and you can get logos, design graphics, and other stuff for your articles, websites, or for your videos, or whatever you want to produce. You can use some of these email swipe lines to craft an article or review or just all the other information on the page. When you get that completed, our main keyword, you might want to write this down, would be product name review, product name bonus. You can also go as far as going product name download. You can just dominate those 3 keywords and just totally fill up the pages of Google for these 3 premium launches. Then you'd be almost guaranteed to dominate with these products. Imagine if you did this every day, just the launch checking strategy alone for like next week or month. Plan out about 2 to 3 weeks ahead and make one of these authority sites rank domination traps. You would be making $50, $100, $200 a day just doing this alone. So this was the strategy for it in a nutshell, and all the left for you to do is to go out, plan, and find some launches to promote.